Thanks. Hi, I'm Mike. Mike Newfer here, workplace specialist with Biamp, and what I'd like to talk to you today is about some of the updates that we've made here to Biamp Workplace. In the top right-hand corner there, you'll see some of the new apps that we've introduced into the Workplace Lifecycle Management System. We have Workplace Designer, Workplace Command, as well as Control Designer, some of our booking assets and tools that we have implemented, but this is all new features that we've implemented into Biamp Workplace here. Once again, Biamp Workplace is our cloud ecosystem that really ties together all of the Biamp product line into a simple and easy to use management and monitoring tool. Some of the new things that we introduced here at InfoComm were an enhanced user interface, a global search bar for our users to search not only the hardware, but any type of booking or user associated with the application. And we also have introduced a notification hub as well as updated user profiles and AI agents in our deployment tools. I challenge all of you to take a look at the new and updated features with Biamp Workplace. You can check out our website at www.biamp.com. Thank you for joining.